What's up YouTube? Zeridius here with another how-to video. Today we're going to talk about all 8 temples and golems. Let's get to it. Alright, our first temple is here. We have to dispatch the guards and see which temple it is. Take note, I am in like in-game gear. This will not be this easy for you. Our first is Apollo Shrine. So once you come up to a shrine, it'll tell you the thing that is required, the quest that is required to open these doors, because all these doors are locked for all 8 buildings pending a quest. So I'll show you where we're at on the map. So here is the Apollo Shrine. Here's your starting location. Straight south is your first shrine. Alright, here's our next temple. It is also guarded by 1 caster and 3 soldiers. So we gotta take them out and see which one it is. Watch out for the guys with the javelins. They have a heck of an arm. Alright, representing the blue is Zeus. Zeus's temple location is inside the Smolacast Mountains. So let's head to the next one. Alright, we are here in the desert. Coming up on our next temple. Again, 1 caster, 3 soldiers. Let's take them out and see what we got. Oh, I can't see crap. Oh, where'd she go? Alright, representing the red, we have Ares. Located on the map in the desert right here. Let's head to the next. We're in luck. We got a copper golem in the middle of the desert trying to take me out. Oh my god. Alright, here we are at the next one. Again, there are 1 caster and 3 guards that we have to take out to see what it is. So here we go. Oh, she moved. There's 5 guards here for some reason. Alright, let's see who is representing the red banners. Hera. And on the map, all the way over here on the east side. Go to the next. Alright, next one we have. We gotta take the guards out and see what we get. Alright, representing the gray banner is Hermes. Hermes is located on this little island all by himself. On to the next. Alright, here we are at the next one. Let's take the guards out and see what we got. Alright, representing the bluish purplish flag, we have Dionysus, aka Dinosaur. Alright, let's check out where this one is on the map. Alright, let's see which one is next. It's Alright, here we are, the next one. I'm gonna take the guards out and see what we got. Approach this differently. A different approach almost got me killed. Luckily, Lady Z joined in to save my butt. Alright, representing the blue, we have Poseidon. Where's Poseidon at on the map? Right here on the east coast, east of the Dark Forest. Alright, which one's next? Alright, we're here at the last and final one. Lady Z showing off her trident. Again, we are in-game armor, so that's why we all shiny and pretty. So, let's go take them out, see what we got. I died. I don't know. Maybe my approach on that attack was bad. Alright, while we were running back, Lady Z took care of everything for us. See what we got. Representing the yellow, we have Athena. Boom, 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 boom. And that is, oh wait, we gotta show you where it's at on the map. Athena is in the Dark Forest, all the way north. And that is all 8 temples. Alright, for our first golem, we have the clay golem. And you can hear him coming. Oh, the pig is going to help me with this one. Oh, that hurt. Take note. Again, we are in higher level gear. When you fight this thing for the first time, it will be rough. They are located, 2 of them, one here and one here in this area where you can find 2 of them. So let's head to the next. Look here. Try to do a tutorial here. Alright. We found us another golem. See what we got. Oh, besides a big old rock to the face. Oh, he threw that under his leg. Oh, this is just another clay one. But I'll show you where he's at anyways. Clay golem right here in the desert. Alright, we found us another golem. He looks to be like a silver one, and you can see silver ore behind him. So that's a bonus tip. Silver ore is in the desert. Let's go give him a poke. Oh, sir. You're cheap as crap with that. Ooh. Silver ones have a lot more life than the clay ones, and they hit harder. A lot harder. There's the silver. See, this is a ambrosia sword, and that's how long it took to take that big boy out. Here's your silver ore. Alright, the silver golem is located right here in the desert. Most of your golems are in the desert. There's a silver, clay, and copper all inside the desert. Alright, here we have another silver who's going to throw his body at me. Ooh. Here he is, located on the map close to the portal. We're just going to leave him be. Whoa. He's telling us to get out. Okay, to recap, the golems locations are 2 clay in here. So one here, one here. We have a clay, silver, silver, and copper. When you go to do your golems quests, you gotta hunt 5 golems. You take these 2 out, go into the desert, and knock the quest out pretty easily. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next how-to guide. For a how-to guide on each of the quests to open the temples. Should be fun.